Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Bedton. We are uploading bed-related furniture frequently. In this video you will find SHA CERLIN queen bed frame with upholstered fabric button tufted headboard. Heavy-duty metal platform bed frame with 17 strong metal slats support, no box spring needed, easy assembly, dark gray. Technical details: size queen material metal product dimensions 81.9 L x 62.6 inches wide by 39.4 inches high style modern color dark gray brand SHA CERLIN maximum weight recommendation 600 pounds assembly required yes product dimensions 81.9 by 62.6 by 39.4 inches manufacturer SHA CERLIN ASIN B0B68 MIGFS country of origin China date first available July 11, 2022.